Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily activate Google Play services in your mobile device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Setting application on your device. Once you do, you can simply see the option of Applications. Click on it and then go to Application Management. Here in the list of all the applications on your device, search for Google Play service. Now, if you do not see the option of disable here, as you can see there's the option of disable. So to activate the application, you can simply click on disable and again enable it. But if you do not find that option, you can simply go to find my device, and once this feature is turned off in our phone device, your Google Play service will be activated. So that's it. Once the service has been activated, you can again turn off this Find My Device feature. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.